Let's talk about how analytics is going to help you gain full visibility into your team's usage so you can lead with data and drive smarter decisions. Now, as an admin, you need to understand how your team is using Lusha. With analytics, you can now track team activity, credit usage, and feature adoption all in one place. Start by adjusting the filters. Choose the date range, up to 2 full years, select specific users or groups, and tailor the view to what you need. Get an instant snapshot of your team's reach and impact. See how many contacts and companies were found, and how many were actively saved to lists or sent to your CRM. Dive into credit usage with multiple views. See overall trends, break it down by feature source like lists or extension, and view credit spent by user. You can even switch between daily, weekly, or monthly views, and visualize everything with clear pie charts. The team engagement model gives you full visibility into your team's usage. Track how actively each user is engaging with Lusha across credits, exports, intent filters, and more. Identify your top performers, spot underused seats, and take action. Understand who your team is actually targeting. The revealed contacts view breaks down your top ICP attributes like industries, roles, and regions, so you can assess alignment and focus. With deeper insights into usage and performance, you can optimize seats, identify power users, and clearly demonstrate Lusha's ROI across your team. You can export charts, track ICP match, and ensure your team is using credits efficiently, all from one clean dashboard. Start using analytics to lead with data and make the most of your Lusha plan.